Is it time to buy or sell Taiwan Semiconductor stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Taiwan Semiconductor. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 28th of April, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 24th of April, 2025, our system has categorized Taiwan Semiconductor as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.28. Now, let us examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently reflects a loss of 0.48% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. This equates to an average loss of 0.16% per day since it was classified as hold or accumulate. The stock is positioned at the upper part of a very wide and declining trend in the short term. This situation often presents a favorable selling opportunity for the short-term trader, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $164.08 would initially indicate a slower rate of decline and could potentially signal a shift in the trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible change of approximately negative 27.46% over the next 3 months, with returns potentially ranging between negative 43.11% and negative 27.15%. When examining the longer term, our analysis over 12 months indicates a projected change of 14.04%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 0.295% to 61.97% over the next year. In practical terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $162.92 and $264.66. Our latest daily update for Taiwan Semiconductor includes the headline, Taiwan Semiconductor stock downgraded to hold accumulate. The Taiwan Semiconductor stock price declined by 1.03% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 28th of April, 2025, dropping from $165.10 to $163.40. During this trading session, the stock experienced fluctuations of 3.05%, ranging from a low of $160.42 to a high of $165.31. The stock has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and has increased by 4.02% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, the trading volume also fell on the last day, alongside the stock price, which is a positive sign, indicating that volume should follow stock movement. On the last day, trading volume decreased by 3 million shares, with a total of 11 million shares exchanged for approximately $1.85 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $226.40, while the lowest was $133.21. Currently, the price sits 27.83%, or $63, below the 52-week high of $226.40, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, or TSMC, is experiencing a decrease in its stock price today, down by approximately 1.5%, amid rising competitive pressures in the semiconductor industry. This movement can be attributed to broader market trends, where macroeconomic factors and a rotation among sectors are influencing investor sentiment. Despite this downturn, TSMC continues to lead the industry, boasting remarkable revenue growth of over 41% year-over-year in the first quarter of 2025, primarily driven by its advanced node technology. Investors are currently evaluating TSMC's valuation against the need for sustained growth, with expectations set at a top-line growth rate of around 17% annually. The recent market turbulence underscores the importance of timing in investments, especially as prominent investors like Warren Buffett reassess their positions. While some analysts believe TSMC remains undervalued, the highlighted volatility in the semiconductor sector can create short-term challenges. In the long run, TSMC's strategic focus on innovative technologies, such as artificial intelligence workloads and high-performance computing, positions the company favorably to capitalize on emerging trends. Although the current trading environment may introduce uncertainty, strong fundamentals along with the anticipated demand for advanced chips suggest potential for recovery and growth. This makes TSMC a noteworthy consideration for long-term investors. Overall, the current decline, while concerning in the short term, could present opportunities for buyers looking at TSMC's promising trajectory in the evolving technology landscape. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 25th of April, 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned TSM a hold grade with a hold action. On the same day, it was reported that Susquehanna assigned TSM a positive grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 21st of April, 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned TSM an overweight grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 15th of April, 2025, it was reported that Daiwa assigned TSM a buy grade with an upgrade action. On Wednesday, the 23rd of October, 2024, it was reported that Barclays assigned TSM an overweight grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Taiwan Semiconductor stock a general neutral rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as neutral, while the price-to-book value is rated as sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Taiwan Semiconductor. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 8th of April, 2025, and so far it has risen by approximately 15.58%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Some negative signals have emerged, which may influence the near-term development. The Taiwan Semiconductor stock currently holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average presents a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this creates a general sell signal for the stock, resulting in a more pessimistic outlook. Should the stock continue to gain, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $164.03. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $157.37. A breakout above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will produce an additional sell signal, further strengthening the overall negative signal. The volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces the overall risk, as volume should ideally follow price movements. Here are some additional signals you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 14 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 15 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 53 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 4 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 46 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 40 days ago. For more insights and signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Taiwan Semiconductor. Taiwan Semiconductor finds support from accumulated volume at $158.75. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. The stock exhibits average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $4.89 between its high and low, representing a change of 3.05%. Throughout the last week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 3.37%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Taiwan Semiconductor, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A relatively low PE ratio could signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued, indicating a potential buying opportunity. In other news, The next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 17th of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $2.13. Keep an eye on these numbers as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Taiwan Semiconductor. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Taiwan Semiconductor is at 172.97. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Taiwan Semiconductor encounters its first support level at 158.75. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $157.29, reflecting a decrease of 3.74%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal stemming from a pivot bottom identified 13 days ago. Is Taiwan Semiconductor stock a good buy? Taiwan Semiconductor displays several encouraging signals. However, we do not find these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. At the current level, it is recommended as a hold candidate, meaning investors should consider holding or accumulating shares while monitoring future developments. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have adjusted our assessment of this stock since the last evaluation from a buy recommendation to a hold or accumulate position. Upon reviewing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 29th of April, we anticipate that Taiwan Semiconductor will open lower by approximately 35 cents, beginning trading at $163.04. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.